Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're diving into a masterpiece of modern engineering wrapped in timeless style, the BMW R18. Inspired by BMW's rich heritage and powered by the brand's biggest boxer engine ever, the R18 blends classic cruiser aesthetics with advanced German technology. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of craftsmanship, power, and elegance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the BMW R18 a true legend on two wheels. Design and aesthetics. The BMW R18 pays homage to the iconic 1936 R5, combining vintage appeal with modern precision. It features a low-slung body, exposed shaft drive, and large round headlamp that evoke old-school charm. The teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and massive engine presence create an unmistakable cruiser stance. Every line of the R18 has been crafted for sophistication and strength, offering a perfect balance of nostalgia and bold character. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the R18 lies a massive 1,802 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled boxer twin, the most powerful boxer BMW has ever built. Producing around 91 horsepower and an immense 158 Nm of torque, it delivers effortless pull even at low revs. The bike comes with a 6-speed gearbox, optional reverse gear, and riding modes like rain, roll, and rock to suit your mood. Despite its size, the R18 handles beautifully, offering smooth acceleration and a commanding road presence. Safety and technology. BMW has equipped the R18 with a blend of modern safety and rider assist features. It includes automatic stability control, engine drag torque control, and powerful disc brakes with ABS. The electronic throttle and selectable riding modes make it adaptable for all kinds of journeys, from relaxed cruising to spirited rides. The instrumentation is minimalist yet elegant, keeping the focus on pure riding pleasure. Conclusion. The BMW R18 stands as a fusion of tradition and innovation, delivering the soul of a classic cruiser with the performance of modern engineering. It's a motorcycle built for those who value design, history, and uncompromising power. Whether you're riding through city streets or open highways, the R18 ensures every journey feels iconic. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more stories about the machines that define motorcycling excellence.